Right, ladies and gents, we're back again for another one. We got regular guest Darren back joining us. And yeah, we've got an interesting conversation we're going to share with you guys today, covering gold and the many good sides of buying it. So welcome back, Darren. How you doing?
Not too bad, thanks. It's been a while. It's been, what, like 2 months, I think?
Yeah, it has been.
But I think, in a way, this is perfect timing because, as you know, like with the stocks and shares market is like crashing. Crypto market is crashing again. The economy's not looking too good on the financial sort of side of things, if you know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So it's probably a good time to basically talk about where gold fits into all of this, if you know what I'm saying, isn't it?
Definitely. Plus, I did hear, was it yesterday? Yesterday, I heard that gold at the minute is actually having a bit of a run at the moment. I haven't looked at the numbers myself.
Yeah, no, I looked earlier, and it's kind of like over the last week is just kind of like stable. It's just on a straight line, if you know what I'm saying.
Okay.
Over the last, I'd say 2020, it went up to about 1,550 an ounce spot price. Then it went down to 1,350 over like a 2-year period, if you know what I'm saying. Yeah. And it's been quite steady. It hasn't been going up, hasn't been going down. So that's one of the things I was gonna say about is like gold being a good store of value because it doesn't go up too much in a short space of time. And to some people that's not attractive, but at the same time, like now, it doesn't go down too much. So I'll give you an example. If I brought an ounce of gold for, say, like in the middle of it, like 1,450, not the highest point, not the lowest point, which is or what is at the moment, in the middle, 1,450. If I was to want to sell it now, I wouldn't lose hardly anything on it at all, if you know what I'm saying. If I had to do a quick sell, obviously you don't want to have to do a quick sell with your savings or your investments. Just like what I was saying in that other last video, you'd want to have a portion of fiat currency for these sort of times, if you know what I'm saying. Yeah. For unexpected bills, little things that happen and that. But if you did need to go to your savings or investments, gold is the best one to go to because you're never really going to lose too much from what you put in. You might lose £100 here or whatever, but you're never going to really lose too much in a short space of time. Like if you bought a year ago and you try and sell now, you bought an ounce of gold 1 year ago, try and sell now. But if on some crypto, for instance, if you bought it at the wrong time last year, you're trying to sell it now, you could be in big trouble.
Big trouble.
This is a thing, and a lot of people are feeling it now. Like, even give an example, like Ethereum. If you brought one Ethereum for Ethereum is a good crypto. It's got a good use case for it, if you know what I'm saying, with all the smart contracts on there, etc. If you brought that recently at, say, which I know a few people did, £2,800. I think it was trading at the time. £2,800 for one Ethereum asset or token, whatever you want to call it. I prefer to call it an asset. If for whatever reason you need to sell that today, it went down to what I think is about 1,800, isn't it?
I think even lower than that, you know.
Yeah, so you're losing £1,000 straight away, aren't you?
Yeah.
So, and some people will mistakenly get too greedy when it comes to investing, and they pump everything into it. I must admit, I find it hard to hold back. When you see things dropping low, you want to put all your money into there, don't you?
Yeah, I'm guilty of that. No dry powder on the side. I've just pumped it all in.
That's it. I should have a pot of fiat currency sitting there, which I said about having things into free portions and that. Yeah. But my pot of fiat currency is low.
Oh, same.
Yeah, mine's low because I put into savings and I put into investments.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you stuff it all into investments, then you're fucked, basically, at certain times.
Yeah, these are the risks you run. You know, there's a big dip and you can't afford to take advantage. And I'm trying to learn from that mistake, but I'm still making it. I think we're all guilty of that at times. It's because we never know where the bottom is as well. So you're buying in the dip thinking it's a good price, but then it just dips again and it's like, wow, I'm all out now.
Because when people brought in for the Ethereum not long ago at 2,800, it was looking like it was going up.
Exactly.
Then it just like hammered.
Yeah.
So all we can learn from it is that the longer that we're in, like investing in crypto and stocks and shares and whatever, that that you got to kind of like hold back a little bit sometimes, you know what I'm saying? Which is hard.